Welcome to my next video, which is going to deal with the Buddhist concept of rebirth. Now, this particular video is not a detailed explanation of the concept of rebirth. This is my own opinion and my own interpretation of it. So I don't think it's important just to point that out at the start. If you want an exact understanding of what rebirth is, find another source. This video is just my own opinion. I was considering rebirth, and it just doesn't work for me as being a literal thing, that a person can die and then will be reborn as a slug or a lamppost or something. It just doesn't work for me. So I thought, well, how can I perhaps reinterpret this from my own knowledge? And I would reinterpret it like this. So let's initially consider a plant. Let's consider corn. Okay, corn is a plant. Now, as we know, chickens like to eat corn. So what we can say is, at one stage, the plant is the corn, and then when it's eaten by the chicken then uses the corn to invigorate and revitalize and rejuvenate its cells in its body. So in a way, the corn becomes the chicken. And then, say for example, a human comes along and wants to eat the chicken. Hope there's no vegans or vegetarians watching this, bear with me. But say a human then eats the chicken, what we can say then is the human is using the cells and the nourishment out of the chicken to revitalize and rejuvenate their own body, to rebuild the muscles, tissue and everything. So in a way, the chicken becomes the human. And this is fully in alignment with the scientific understanding of energy. Because science will state energy is never created or destroyed, it only changes from one form to another. So, using that kind of idea, we can say that it's continuously changing energy, and those particular energies goes from a plant to an animal, and then say the animal then dies and it goes into the soil. The animals, it goes into the soil. Then the nutrients in the soil, which is energy, go to make up more plants, and then animals eat the plants, and so it continues. So that's not a literal description of rebirth, that one thing directly is reborn into another thing, and certainly gets around the idea of any sort of soul or anything like that. But it is a kind of rebirth in relation to energy and the continual cycling of energy from one form to another. Well, that's my take on it. Hope you found that interesting. Maybe you agreed. Maybe you've got a different take. If you have, please let me know. Click like, click subscribe. I'll see you inside the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.